Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Harry Potter Hogwarts app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then you come to apps this year and there you're looking for Harry Potter Hogwarts app or just click on search. Then here at Hogwarts, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search here for Hogwarts. It's going to show for you like this here. Harry Potter Hogwarts. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, so then it's going to show for you uh, here. It's going to work with you when you click here on update. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.